Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. In this series of videos, we have been sharing with you advice on what not to do and what to do, given that this time of the year there's going to be a lot of law enforcement officials on our roads. So you don't want to find yourself on the wrong side of the law, and there are various things that you can actually do to make sure that you don't get in trouble with law enforcement. Watch the previous videos. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Also see the links in the description box below. If you have any comments, thoughts, leave them in the comment section below. Please note that these videos is not to be taken as legal advice. If you have particular instances where you do need legal advice, we suggest that you find a good lawyer. These videos are just meant to share general advice that will apply for everybody else. So in today's video, we are just going to talk about the things that will definitely get you into trouble if you are stopped by police or law enforcement. And if you do these things, police might actually seize your vehicle, and you as the driver will actually see yourself behind bars on the spot. No two ways about it. Okay, so what are these circumstances where you might actually see your vehicle getting taken and you getting behind bars just like that? Number one, if you are driving a vehicle that was previously used in the commission of a crime, guys, you are looking for trouble. If you're driving around with a vehicle that was previously used in the commission of a crime, whether you know it or whether you didn't know about it, you are looking for trouble. The vehicle will be immediately seized, and you as the driver, you'll be immediately arrested as a suspect. You might have to end up finding a lawyer and then clearing up the mess, but when you are stopped, you are going to be arrested as a suspect and the vehicle seized. So make sure that you are not driving around with a vehicle that was previously used in the commission of a crime. That one is obvious. A second obvious one, if you're driving around with a stolen vehicle, whether you know that the vehicle is stolen or whether you are not aware of it, you are courting trouble from the law, because it's going to be immediately seized and you are going to be immediately handcuffed and thrown behind bars as a suspect. Then you can go through the court processes and legal processes to clear your name and things like that. But if you're driving around with a stolen vehicle, that vehicle is going to be seized immediately and you as the driver are going to be arrested. If you're driving with a vehicle that is containing contraband, illegal stuff, we're talking about abalone. It's a big one. Crayfish. Yes, you can have crayfish and abalone in your vehicle, but it needs to be below the allowed legal amounts. People get into trouble by actually do what's called a poaching. That's where people are actually contracted by various syndicates and people to actually go and get abalone or crayfish that's above the allowed limit by the Department of Environmental and Fisheries, whatever. So if you are found and you are stopped and they find a huge amount of abalone in your car or crayfish, which is above the allowed permits or legal amounts, you will get arrested and the vehicle that you are driving will be seized by authorities. If you have unlicensed firearms or illegal drugs in your boot, then you better find routes where there are no roadblocks, where there are no police. You will get arrested and your vehicle will be impounded. It also goes for things like dagga. Even tiny amounts of dagga will get you into trouble with the police, and your vehicle might actually end up getting impounded. Yes, the current legal framework allows for recreational use of dagga, but this has to be dagga that has been cultivated at home and is used at home, not transported. You cannot transport dagga as yet. If you're found transporting dagga, even little amounts, you will get into trouble. If you or the other passengers are suspected in a crime, or police believe you are actually driving to a location where you are going to get involved in a crime, you are in trouble. Police will stop you, impound your vehicle, and you guys will be arrested as suspects until it can be proven otherwise. So these are circumstances that you just need to be aware of that would definitely result in automatic seizure of your vehicle and you as a driver getting behind bars until the legal processes go through their course. So be safe out there. Try as much as you can to stay on the good side of the law. Don't go around breaking the law. You will get arrested. Guys, leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.